Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a what's in my baby bag video for you guys. Just gonna put a little disclaimer out there that this is a very impromptu what's in my bag. So whatever is in my bag, meaning whatever is in my bag, y'all are gonna see. And because, you know, you use things, you take things out, so let's really see what's left inside there, and it will probably give me an update as to what I need to put in there or take out. So let's get this thing started. It's looking kind of messy because I just got back from church. So yeah. The first thing that I took out of my bag is this poncho. It's this nursing poncho like this. It's long and it's, bless you, and it's got tassels on one side. It's actually kind of like a long rectangular piece of cloth with an opening, and you just put it over you. And so this is really big. It's got lots of room to cover everything. My only deal with that is it's really hot. If you guys want to know more about that in a separate video, I can show you and talk about it. The next thing that I have in here is this soother with a soother case, and like I said, please disregard the sounds. This baby making noise in the background. She's not crying, so that's okay. It's the soother case, which was bought separately, obviously, from the event soother that's in it. And this is just, you know, y'all know what a soother's for. Next thing is this baby rot hair that holds the wipes. Whoops. Next thing I have are these Burp Clots. Guys, I really love them. They're Aiden and Anais, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I like them because they are burp cloth, and I love the kidney shape, because it just goes like that and it covers you in the area at the front if baby was to spit up in the front, and it goes like right around your neck. And it's really good for just nursing, or not nursing, for bottle feeding. You just put it under baby's neck, or you can actually snap it like a bib. It's got little snaps right there. Next thing I have are diapers. And I actually have several diapers in here in different parts, because sometimes as we're, you know, when I calculate how many diapers I've used and I send my girls to run and put diapers in the bag, they will just kind of put them in random areas. Next thing that I have in here is this little onesie right here. And to be honest, I should take this out because she hasn't worn it yet, only because it's been in the baby bag. So I should probably rotate it with something that she's already worn that I don't care to see for a little bit. That's in there. These little pants are in there, and like I said, this is newborn. I should get this out because she hasn't worn this yet. Might not even fit. Along with this newborn top. Oh my. This may not even fit her. We have to try it and see. This cute little bib, and I travel with bibs. Even though I'm nursing, I travel with bibs, obviously, for the days where I do try to bring a bottle. So this little one is in there. Just so cute. It's Hello Kitty. This sleeper is in there. It's not cute, and it's a hoodie. And this is 3 months. Yeah, this is size 3 months, so this is going to be perfect for spring. And I should probably take that out as well, because I would probably need that. I'd want her to wear that as opposed to just carrying it around in the baby bag. So it's important to check your baby bag and go through it maybe once a week or so, so you know what's in it and you can rotate things out. Another onesie, and I stocked up on a few of these in there. The struggle is real. She hasn't worn this either, so I'm going to rotate these out and put things that she's worn in here that like I said, I don't care to see. But I do carry a few onesies in there because that's one of those things that they're prone to messing up. They're really good at catching any overflow if anything was to happen, what you call blowouts, and it will hit the onesie often before it even touches clothes, so this will catch it, and then you'd have to change the onesie, and maybe the clothes would be fine. So it's good to have quite a few of those in there if you can. And last but not least, I have this one, and it says, "I'm cute, mom's cute, dad's lucky." Lucky, lucky. It looks really cute. Whoa, Nelly. A ton of diapers. And other things that I have in here, nursing pads, and these are the ones that I buy. I buy them in a large box. These are obviously disposable, so you just stick them inside your bra and you're good to go. I travel with these because sometimes I forget and it's not until I'm out in the streets that I realize, oh, so it's good to have them at hand in your bag. Baby Soother again. How many of these bad boys do I have? I have 2. Oh, I only have 2. Baby Soother. This one was used at church and I just washed it and threw it in here. It's honestly not a good idea to put them in anything aside from those cases because they're just prone to picking up little fuzzies, and that's not good. You don't want your baby to ingest just like germs or dirt. So it's best to buy one of those cases that I was showing you. So it's worth it. Now they're breast pads because you definitely would need to. Whoa, baby. We still have baby booties in here, and there is this 2 or 1? Oh, 2 baby booties. These little, oh, these are so cute. I should have her wear these because they're neutral. I don't have anything that fits her feet, so it'd be cute to have something on her feet. I'm gonna have her wear these. These came with like a hat and the mitts, you know, for the scratch proof mitts. I'm gonna have her put these on like now as we're gonna go on the street. I had this is called tummy butter stretch mark cream, but I actually use this on my hand. I used it on my tummy when I was pregnant, but I've been tending to use it on my hands as a moisturizer because the dry weather was just getting to me, and I like the container. It's thin enough to just like slip into your bag or slip into a side pocket or something. So going into the side pockets, let's see what we can find. A spoon, mascara, and my face powder, because you guys know I'm without a purse, so carrying the baby bag is like the only option for me at this current moment, and I have various things in various places. Other side pocket is already full of junk. Oh geez. Glasses. Hello, darling. Hello. I actually have a few important bracelets that I wanted to keep. They're ones that she had on in the hospital that has her name on it and whatnot, and I want to keep it in her keepsake box. Lipstick. I have a lotion. This was in one of the side pockets. Another pair of glasses, which are my go-to when I can't find my other ones. Baby's got the hiccups in the background. That's it, guys. It is empty, and that's what the inside of the bag looks like. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that video. Time to pack this baby all back, and I'm actually going to do some of the things I said. I'm going to rotate things out and just pack what I need, and it's just, that was actually a good video because it'll help me just get myself together. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and much love.